At the NDTV Masterstroke Art Awards, joining me is Ms. Payal Kanodia, promoter M3M and chairperson M3M Foundation. Thank you so much, and it's a pleasure to have you with us. Payal, I want to ask you, we see that M3M is visibly now, increasingly, we're seeing it visible when it comes to the space of art, cultural space. What really motivates you to do this?
M3M in its philosophy believes that art is something that brings culture, religion, communities together. It can cross borders and bring people together. So this is one thing that works well when you want to unite the world, and we're talking about the global world today. So unity is one thing that we need, and especially given the conditions that we are living in today with the global wars and everything, this is something that breaks all sorts of barriers, and hence this is something that has been a key area of work where M3M Foundation is also working and promoting the grassroots artisans and taking them to the global platforms, to the national and international platforms.
You've spoken about bridging the gap as well when it comes to global platforms as well. When it comes to real estate and corporate houses like M3M or, per se, just generally corporate houses as well, when we talk about just not just building physical spaces, but also creating cultural legacies through art, how can that be done?
So to create cultural legacies through art, I think art is, again, as I said, art is something that breaks all sorts of barriers, religion, community, even the borders. So when you work on art, different people depict different forms, what they are thinking, and that is not bound by any sorts of borders, religion, community, and hence this is one of the biggest thing that is bringing every culture, every community, all sorts of people together.
Okay, and when we talk about the Art Awards today, the collaboration between NDTV and M3M, it's a significant step, the inaugural one, right? What do you think the impact would be, and what motivated you to be a part of this?
Actually, this partnership of M3M and the NDTV Masterstroke Award has been like a promise to us for the work that we are doing at the grassroots level in India. And there was another concept that we did about last year, which was NAYAB, where we brought the artisans who have been president awardees. We gave them a platform at the national level and global level. So this kind of reminds us of that promise that we have kept, where we want to take the Indian art forms globally and give our artisans a global platform and a global presence and a global recognition.
And we can see that happen. Thank you so much, and welcome to the Art Awards. Thank you so much.